Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone are safe at home. In the last class, we have revised the lesson number 1, our body parts. In the today's class, we will revise the lesson number 2, our body can do. And we will discuss the functions of legs and feet in detail. In the previous class, we have learnt about the different body parts. We have learnt about head, face, neck, chest, belly and the limbs. So, children, what are limbs? Yes, you all know the answer. 2 arms and the 2 legs are called as the limbs. Now we will discuss about the functions of the legs and the feet. Look at the pictures. Here a boy is standing. Here a girl is walking. Here another girl is running. Here the boy is kicking the football. Here the boy is jumping. Here the girl is hopping. Here the girl is walking on the narrow place by keeping one foot in the front and the other foot at the back. She is keeping only one foot at a time and she is trying to balance her body by stretching her arms. You can look at these pictures in the page number 10. Now come to the functions of the legs and the feet. What all you have seen in the picture. The functions of the legs are to stand, to walk, to run, to kick, to jump, to hop and to balance. Now here the boy is standing. Standing is an activity of being erect upon our feet. Children, how do we stand? We stand up with the help of our feet. And when do you stand in the school? We stand for the prayer in the assembly. Now, here another function of the legs and the feet, that is walking. So children, what is walking? Walking is an activity we perform to move from one place to the another. And how do we walk? We walk with the help of our feet. Children, when you come to the school, when your parents drop you in the morning near the gate, what do? Yes, you go to the classroom by walking. Now the next function of the legs and the feet is running. Now here the boy is running. So children, what is running? Running is an activity of moving fast on our feet. So when you are late for the class, what do? So you will run fast to your classroom. The next function of legs and feet is kicking. So what is kicking? Kicking is an activity of hitting something like a ball with our feet. So when do you kick? When we play football, we kick the ball. The next function of legs and feet is jumping. So children, what is jumping? Jumping is an activity of moving oneself suddenly from the ground with the help of legs and feet. So children, generally when do we jump? We jump whenever we are very happy or excited. And suppose suddenly there is an announcement in the assembly about your picnic, you all will jump with the happiness. The next function of legs and feet is hopping. So what is hopping? Hopping is an activity of jumping with one foot and landing on the same foot. So children, when do you hop? When you play hopscotch game, you will hop. The next function of legs and feet is balancing. So children, what is balancing? Balancing is an activity of maintaining our body steadily over a period of time. We can try to balance our body by standing on one foot or by walking on a narrow rope. So, in the gymnastics, children are given training to walk on a narrow rope. Now, there are some activities which you can do at home. So, you can try skipping with a skipping rope. You can try running forwards and you can try to walk backwards. You can try to hop with one foot and you can raise your hands above your head and you can shake them. So all these activities you can do at home and please try to do. You enjoy it. Thank you.